I'm Deess, Director of Institutional Research and Planning, and I want to tell you about the role of institutional research in the NJIT self-study process. First, let's talk about documenting the self-study. I'll do this in 5 parts. First one is the mission. What is the mission of the Office of Institutional Research and Planning? Secondly, the approach to research, methods, role in the steering committee, and resource to the working groups. So first, the Office of Institutional Research and Planning has a very specific mission. It's responsible for verifying, managing, monitoring, and reporting all non-financial data about the university to external government agencies, accreditation, and other public-private entities. IRP reports statistical information on enrollment, degrees conferred, faculty, and research activity. It also conducts a wide range of assessment research to support continuous improvement at the university. I want to also tell you about the approach to research that the office takes. It has 4 basic principles. The first one, it is a service office. It's not conducting research for the sake of research. It serves the university's need for internal research. Secondly, it must be an honest broker. It offers research as objectively as possible. Thirdly, this must be practical research. Research is conducted to support decision-making. This does not mean basic research or independent research for publication. This is about improving decision-making at the university. Toward this end, research results must be presented in a clear and concise form. If it is not clear and concise, it is less readily used and therefore less effective for the university. The office employs numerous quantitative research methods. Survey research is one of our primary areas. We also conduct trend analysis using university data. Statistical analysis is also important to the office. However, we keep this at a relatively basic level, so it is readily understood. We also do data mining. This is a specific technique of statistical analysis applied to large data sets, and focus groups where necessary to support the other research. So what is the role of institutional research in the steering committee? A representative from IRP sits on the steering committee to provide information about research which has already been conducted at the university, and to provide guidance on practical considerations for future research, including realistic limits on the data. This representative is also the liaison of the university to the accreditation agency. That means he has worked with the accreditation agency over some years and developed a working relationship with our representative there. Finally, this representative is a window on past experience with accreditation, having been directly involved in the periodic review report and the previous self-study of 2002. Representatives of this office also sit on the working groups. Why? Well, they provide service to the working groups by giving them data as needed, aiding them in formulating research plans, and then conducting specific formal research projects as required by the group. They also will assist in guiding responses to accreditation questions based on their experience with previous accreditation projects at NJIT.